Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD driver not compatible with your graphic card, or the AMD driver not compatible with the GPU driver, and so on. So here, for example, if you find the error 173, it means the AMD software cannot proceed or continue install because no AMD graphic hardware has been detected in your system. Maybe there is a defect, maybe your graphic card are not readable on this Windows 11 or 10 system, so you have to check out. Maybe you just bought the used graphic card that used to mining, so you cannot use the AMD driver from the official website. You have to search manually the mining driver in other sources. And if you got error 182, AMD software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So if you install Adrenaline but is not supported with your GPU, it means your GPU is embedded, legacy, or customized for OEM system. So here, if embedded, you can try to visit AMD driver and support when you usually update your driver. Do not use AMD auto detect, use manually. Here you can click graphic, search or browse driver manually. Here try to search Radeon embedded, choose your graphic card and submit, and then you can download the embedded driver there. And if you have old GPU, legacy AMD Radeon graphics, here there is your GPU on this list. This is the desktop, mobile, and this is the APU. So you do not download the Adrenaline. You can download the legacy graphics. This is the Catalyst driver, the ATI driver. You can search your graphic card series or search your any series that you have to download the Catalyst. But if you have the OEM system, you can download the firmware, download the update driver from the AMD partners. Like if you have all-in-one PC by Acer, you can download from the partner website here. Acer, Asus, ASRock, and so on. And this is global add-in board or AIB, MSI, Sapphire, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.